Good morning, students. Already we have started the lesson, the thief story. Now, up to here, we have taken the loss of trust. Now we are going to start from here. I found myself in the मैदान. आपल्याला आता इथून स्टार्ट करायचं आहे. Now I am going to discuss the remaining part of the story. Already we have seen that the train had gone. The thief had robbed to whom Anil. He had taken the small bundles of notes which was under the mattress of Anil. When Anil was asleep, he was in sleep. At the same time, at the same moment, he robbed him. The thief robbed him. The narrator robbed him. And when he reached the station, he hesitated and the train had gone. Now it was dark night. Now he wants to spend the whole night, and after that I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. Now, while thinking deeply how to spend the whole night, because already he had what he had done about Anil, he had a lot of trust, but now it was cut down by him. Now I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. He found himself in the Maidan. Here the word Maidan is a non-English word here. It was given here, the word Maidan. It was non-English word. Sometimes the question will be asked that pick out non-English word from the given passage. Here the Maidan is a non-English word which means ground in English. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. Now he turned towards the Maidan, turned towards the ground, and there was a bench. He sat down there. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. That night it was chilly one. रात्र झाली होती, अंधार होता, थंडी सुद्धा होती. The night was chilly and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Now the rain started. It was in the form of light drizzle, म्हणजे पावसाच्या हलक्या सरी होत्या. Soon it was raining quite heavily. लवकरच मोठा पाऊस सुरू झाला. Now it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin because of rain, heavy rain. His shirt as well as his pajama, it was stuck to his skin because of rain, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now he was alone on that Maidan. He was sat down there. Already rain was started. It was quite heavy, and his shirt along with his pajama, it was stuck to his skin because of that rain, as well as the cold wind. It was also started to blow, and the rain across his face. Wind as well as rain blew across his face. थंडगार वारा होता, आणि तो वारा आणि पाऊस, या पावसाचा मारा त्याच्यावरती पडला, त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावरती पडला. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Now again he turned towards the bazaar. पुन्हा तो त्या बाजाराकडे वळला, मार्केटकडे वळला. Now he went back to the bazaar and he sat down there for sheltering purpose. Where he sat down, there was a clock tower, and near the clock tower he had taken shelter, and he was waiting there to stop the rain. The clock showed midnight. It was midnight. It was dark already. It was night. The clock showed midnight. मध्यरात्र झाली होती. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Now he turned towards the notes. Whatever he had brought, whatever he had robbed from Anil, whenever he felt for that notes, they were damp from the rain. The notes were damp because of rain, due to the rain. पावसामुळं त्या नोटा ज्या होत्या त्या नोटा भिजल्या होत्या, ते बंडल भिजलं होतं. Anil's money. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. Now he was started to think, because it is Anil's money. He thought that in the morning definitely or probably he would give me 2 or 3 rupees for going to the cinema. He knew that definitely he will give me nearly about 2 rupees or 3 rupees for watching cinema, but now he had it all. त्याला माहीत होतं की नक्कीच आपल्याला अनिल उद्या सकाळी 2 किंवा 3 रुपये देईल सिनेमा बघण्यासाठी, पण आता ही सगळी रक्कम माझ्याकडे आहे. नाव आय कुडंट कुक हिज मील्स, रन टू द बाजार or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Now he thought that I was unable to cook his meals, as well as buy some groceries from the bazaar, as well as learn to write whole sentences anymore, as we already knew that he taught him the whole sentences. He taught him maths, geometry, how to write. All these things were taught him, but it will no more. He thought that I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Again he deeply thought that all these things whatever taught me by Anil, आजपर्यंत ज्या गोष्टी मला अनिल शिकवल्या त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी मी इन अ मोमेंट, इन अ फ्लॅश, आय फॉरगेट इट. मी ते सगळ्या गोष्टी विसरलो. आय हॅड फॉरगॉटन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. हाव? इन द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ द थेफ्ट. या चोरीच्या नादामध्ये, या चोरी करताना या सगळ्या गोष्टी मी विसरलो. वॉट एव्हर ही टॉट मी. होल सेंटेन्सेस आय न्यू कुड वन डे ब्रिंग मी मोर दॅन a few hundred rupees. If he taught me the whole sentences, if he taught me all things, definitely he thought that it will bring me more than a few hundred rupees. I will earn more than few hundred rupees. He thought that if I learn something from Anil. But it was no more now. It is no more now. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. Now he realized his mistake, and he thought that it was a simple matter to steal. थेफ्ट करणं, चोरी करणं खूप सोपं आहे. अँड समटाइम्स जस्ट ॲज सिम्पल टू बी कॉट. पकडलं जाणं हे सुद्धा खूप सिम्पल आहे, साधा आहे, सोपं आहे. सहज आपण पकडले जाऊ शकतो. अँड समटाइम्स जस्ट ॲज सिम्पल टू बी कॉट. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. It is different one. To be a big man, to be a clever person, to be a respected person, it is something else. It is different one. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Now he realized his mistake finally, and he thought that I must have to turn back towards Anil, and I want to say him that I want to learn something. I want to learn read as well as write from you. While thinking, I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Now he hurried back towards the room where Anil was. He felt very nervous because he already theft to whom? To Anil. And he thought that it is very easy to steal something than to return it undetected. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट चोरी करणं खूप सोपं आहे, पण त्याहीपेक्षा अवघड गोष्ट म्हणजे कुठली आहे? चोरी केलेली जी रक्कम आहे ती रिटर्न करणं. त्यांना न कळता अनडिटेक्ट असताना त्यांना न कळता ती रक्कम रिटर्न करणं, तशीच्या तशी ठेवणं हे खूप अवघड आहे. ही थॉट दॅट इट इज मच इझियर टू स्टील समथिंग दॅन टू रिटर्न इट अनडिटेक्टेड. नाव ही रीच देअर. I opened the door quietly. After reaching there, he had opened the door quietly because it was midnight. Then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. It was moonlight. It was midnight. He had opened the door quietly and he stood there near the door in that moonlight. Anil was still asleep. He was in sleep because it was night. He was the whole night was spent by the thief outside, and Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. Now he turned towards the bed, and his hand it was came up with the notes. He picked out the notes, whatever bundle was there, he had, and he had kept it on his vest. Now it was taken out. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Now he had felt his breath on his hand and he remained still for a minute. He remained quiet for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. After that, what he had done, he returned whole the money, the whole bundle. How? He had found the edge of the mattress, he had touched or he had found the edge of the mattress and again he slipped under it with the notes, and he had taken back the bundle of that notes under the mattress. Now I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. After giving back the bundle, after putting it under the mattress, I slept, and the next morning I awoke late. He woke up late the next morning, as we know that he had spent the whole night outside, and that morning Anil had made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. Now my heart sank. Here the word heart sank that is given here, it means felt depressed. Now the next morning Anil already had made a tea for me, and he stretched out his hands and he had a 50 rupee note he wants to give me. After seeing all this, after watching all this incident, my heart sank. I felt depressed because I knew that here the thief knew that whatever he had done the last night, now Anil was going to give him 50 rupee note. I thought I had been discovered. Now he thought that he had been discovered. He thought that Anil knew him. Anil knew that whatever he had done the last night, as he was going to give him a 50 rupee note, त्याला असं वाटलं त्या चोराला, त्या थीपला, की आपण आपली चोरी जी आहे ती चोरी पकडलेली आहे, की जेणेकरून चोरी केल्यामुळंच अनिल हा मला हे 50 रुपयाची नोट देत असावा असं याला वाटलं. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now he explained that I got some money yesterday. I made some money yesterday. He explained that he had made some money the day before, the previous day. Now you will be paid regularly. Now definitely you will be paid regularly from this month. You will get your payment regularly now. My spirits rose. Here the word spirits rose that is given here, it means became very hopeful. Became very hopeful. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Now, Anil had given him 50 rupee note as a payment, and he also told him that you will be get regularly now. You will be paid regularly now. After seeing that, my spirits rose. He became very hopeful. He became very happy now. And whenever he had taken that note, the 50 rupee note, he had seen that it was still wet from the night's rain. Because as we seen that it was rain the last night when he was on the Maidan at the same time, and whenever he had taken that 50 rupee note, he had seen that it was still wet because of the night's rain. जेव्हा त्यानं ती 50 रुपयाची नोट घेतली तेव्हा ती थोडीफार भिजली होती. तर हे भिजायचं कारण काय होतं, कारण काल रात्री जो इन्सिडेंट घडला होता, जे बंडल चोरलं होतं त्या रात्री पाऊस पडला होता मैदानावरती असताना, आणि तेव्हाच ते बंडल भिजलं होतं, आणि त्या बंडलमधलीच ही 50 रुपयाची नोट आहे, आणि त्यामुळे ती थोडीशी ओलसर त्याला जाणवली. ही हॅड फेल्ट दॅट इट वॉज स्टील वेट बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट नाईट्स रेन. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट रायटिंग सेंटेन्सेस, ही सेड. नाव ही वॉज गोइंग टू teach him, and he said that we will start writing sentences. Already he started to teach him. He taught him how to read, how to write, as well as geometry, algebra, maths. Now he said that from today we are going to start how to write sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. Actually, he realized his mistake finally, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Actually, Anil knew all things, what happened last night, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. He hasn't said anything. He said nothing about the incident, whatever happened the last night. Actually, रात्रीच्या वेळेस जी काही घटना घडली होती हे सगळी घटना अनिलला माहीत होती, पण अनिलनं त्या थीपला, त्या चोराला त्याची गोष्ट अजिबात काही सांगितली नाही. His lips nor his eyes showed anything about it. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. As usual, he smiled at Anil, the thief smiled at Anil, and the smile came by itself without any effort. And in return, he also smiled without any effort. शेवटी त्यांनी आपल्या नेहमीच्या सवयीप्रमाणे त्यांनी स्माईल दिलं, आणि अनिलनं सुद्धा त्याला रिटर्न म्हणून त्याला स्माईल दिलेला आहे विदाऊट एनी एफर्ट. म्हणजे इथं ही जी चोरी आहे ती चोरी अनिलला माहीत असूनसुद्धा ते त्याला दाखवलेलं नाही, कारण त्या अनिलला एक चांगला माणूस घडवायचा होता, आणि हा थीप जो आहे तो त्याला आपली मिस्टेक आहे ती मिस्टेक शेवटी रिअलाईज झाली, कळाली, आणि तो एक चांगला व्यक्ती बनला. रस्किन बॉन्ड he had written this. Now along with this video lecture, I am going to give you some of the exercise which will be here in the margin line, in the form of margin line question. As you see that these are this one, this one, this one. After that, here the last question. These questions I'm going to give you as an exercise. It will be in the PDF format. You have to solve it perfectly as usual, as I know that you can, and send me its feedback. Thank you.